Duncy, and today, I guess you have a nice look at my carpet. But really, I have a Hoover caddy vac with removable tool rack and 100% of dust mites and their eggs under infiltration, 99.99% ragweed and common grass pollens. Sorry, I'm not feeling too well today. And there's the handle. So it's got a headlight. I put the funniest thing, I found out that it takes a Kirby style headlight or bulb, and voila, actual genuine Kirby bulb works in there. So yeah, and height adjustment from hard floor carpets all the way up to high. And then here's the hose port. Sadly, I don't have any of the attachments except for the wand with this vacuum. And let me show you the back. So it runs good. I hope I greased up the bearings. They were clacking, or knocking, I should say, I guess. They were pretty much going grinding on the brush roll. Not like when you turn it on, it would grind. When you would take out the brush roll and spin it to see if it was in good condition. But yeah. 2 large wheels at the back. Stupid. The handle for these pedals right here. The bolt for the some of the assemblies there. The cord strain relief right there. And the only bad thing about this vacuum is the cord hook right here is broken. Let's see if you can see. Yeah, you can see that. So that means I need to get a new cord hook. But other than that, it's in very good condition. I will show you the bag underneath in a minute. But first, I shall show you the bag compartment. I had to put a new filter in. The other filter was disgusting. Not like that bad, but pretty disgusting. And that is the new filter I put in, which I think is already starting to look a little grimy, even though it's not that great of. Hold on 1 second. Yeah, as you can see, there's some dark spots on it. Oh well, at least I had a HEPA bag in there. But that's pretty much. Oh, it takes Type A bags, or I think Z. I can't remember. Anyway, it's similar to a Kirby in the sense that you have well, you can't see it, but there's a cord connection that you can take apart if you need to replace the cord, and it's also part of the assembly that you have to assemble the cord to the vacuum. So I will pause for a second and wait until my mother can get up here, so that way I can show you it running. Come on. As soon as I put the bag on. Hold on 1 second. Bag door on. Here's this thing. Okay. There we go. So I'm gonna pause and be right back. Hello, all you viewers. Sorry about that. No, not a hello, all of you. That was the beginning of this video. Just a warning that this gets a little noisy. So I'm sorry. I don't recommend watching it turn on if you have hearing, if your ears are sensitive. So yeah, let's go. she works pretty well. And thanks for watching. Bye. Hit the